Welcome back, everybody. Today is Sunday, August the 1st, 2021. This is the home of the Bitcoin Liquidation Watch live stream. We'll continue to leave that live stream running all the time, so get used to it. Click on it, check it out. This channel has been putting out cryptocurrency videos for years and years and years, but it's still a very little known channel, and I'm looking for your help to change that. If you like what's going on in this unique deep dive altcoin video, hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you get notified when the Bitcoin Liquidation Watch live stream comes live and when I'm posting extra deep dive videos like this one. We are the makers of the Bull Market Watch spreadsheet. We scan 270 different cryptocurrencies every single day, and we break everything down into an easy summary so that you can quickly see that there are 7 alert coins right now today on Poloniex, 34 new alert coins on Binance. That's 79 altcoins in alert status. If you want to subscribe to the Bull Market Watch spreadsheet and have access to everything, this is your time to do it. You can see exactly when the coins are in alert status, when they're in hold status, and when they're in exit status. It is a very convenient color-coded spreadsheet that draws all of that information together into a summary so that you can quickly see which coins to take action on. The important thing is that the price is going up in 6 days. You can join in and lock in last year's price just for the next 6 days. Now let's jump into the video. I'm going to take a look at the orange is Bitcoin price, the candles is Bitcoin dominance. And just take a look at Bitcoin dominance. We can quickly see that as Bitcoin dominance is dropping, this was the major altcoin bull markets in the history. We had a bit of a nice bull market here and then things pulled back. And then from January until the end of May of 2021, we had another really good bull market in altcoins. Now we're back to historical levels with Bitcoin dominance really at the lowest levels it's been since back in 2018. We've made a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation here, and perhaps Bitcoin dominance is going to keep going up as Bitcoin prices break out. And I want to go through a few charts right now here today so that we can get an idea of what is actually coming. Now I'm going to go into a bunch of different coins and I'm going to compare what's going on with Bitcoin prices in blue. And if I bring up the Bitcoin dominance in the green here, as Bitcoin dominance is dropping, that means altcoins are breaking out. So it's getting to be a confusing chart here, but basically altcoins go up as Bitcoin dominance is dropping. And this is really powerful to see what's going on, because now if I clean this up a little bit and get rid of the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin dominance, we can see here that we have a 1, 2, 3 top formation in this coin. Prices have broken below this top formation, and we are also seeing a parallel channel here pretty much that has broken and prices gone down below it. So what I'm looking for now as we go through coin after coin is what do we figure is going to be happening next? My personal view is that as Bitcoin prices in orange here start to take off and go very, very much higher, Bitcoin dominance is going to go up with it. So most of the money in the altcoins is going to slosh across to the other side of the boat and it's going to go into Bitcoin. This is what I'm thinking. But of course, what we're going to do is continue to track it over time. And that's why we have the Bull Market Watch spreadsheet, so that we're tracking each coin individually to see what's happening with it. And we zoom in, we do this. Bitcoin dominance is dropping here through this period of time. Bitcoin dominance is dropping this last little while. So some of the altcoins are making gains as Bitcoin dominance is dropping. And we'll see what's going on just in this short period of time, because this is the 5-minute bars. We can see here from July 31st until August 1st, that's only a few days. See, this is only just a few days from July 31st to August 31st. If we zoom right into the super close range, we might think that alts are going to be taking off again as Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and they may. But we're also coming to a retest of the 1, 2, 3 bottom formation breakout. The dominance is pulling back a little bit. And if Bitcoin breaks out, I'm anticipating dominance is going to be going up. So I'm going to open this back up to show dominance. And that's going to confirm as dominance is dropping, prices are taking off. Really, really good to see this confirmation. And then I'm going to put Bitcoin prices back in there. So if Bitcoin prices are taking off and dominance is rising, altcoins will be pulling back. Let's just go on to a few different examples here and see what's going on. We can see that this coin went up on a channel right through this period of time, and then it topped out. So here we are again, the beginning of January until the end of June, but pretty much the end of April into May, where this topped out and pulled back. So if I bring up Bitcoin dominance, so it took off as Bitcoin dominance was dropping, and it topped out and is pulled back really strongly as Bitcoin dominance went up here. Let's continue on with a few more examples to see what's going on here. Here's another one. We do Bitcoin dominance. As Bitcoin dominance dropped, so did this make its move upwards, and it topped out and pulled back here as Bitcoin dominance is rising. Let's go on to Algo, another one that didn't actually make that great of a move. So I'm thinking, well, when we take a look at the price over time like that, this coin may not have a lot of investor interest. Let's continue on, just do a quick scan. So here again is a coin AMB that was bottomed out at about 41 Satoshi and made a high of 263 as Bitcoin dominance was dropping. It really didn't keep going on the trend as Bitcoin dominance continued to drop. Let's go on to ANK, another one that really made a very big move right as Bitcoin dominance was dropping. Beautiful, beautiful to see. So be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification icon. I'm going to be doing these kind of deep dive cryptocurrency analysis videos regularly. This is part of what I do to study the bull market watch spreadsheet and to be aware of what's going on with all of the cryptos. So this was beautiful. Our bull market watch caught this one too as it broke out of this bottom formation. And then we got out as it broke that top formation because Bitcoin dominance started to rise again, and that pulls all of the altcoins back. Really great to see. Here's another one, Bitcoin dominance, bottom formation right here. It took off and made some big moves up, and then it pulled back as dominance started to rise. The coin topped out. Another one, another breakout with some really crazy volatility, but prices have come back. One thing that I am noticing in some of these charts is that we do have a downward parallel channel and a 1, 2, 3 potential bottom formation. If dominance does continue to drop down from here and it breaks out of its upward channel, then these coins will take off again. As dominance pulls back, these coins will be taking off. So we'll be watching that, and we'll be reporting in the bull market watch on all of these coins. Here's yet another one, though it took a longer time into late February before it did a run up from 80 Satoshi to over 200 Satoshi. So again, really fantastic. It topped out and really broke down strongly as dominance started to rise again. AST. Now this one started off more in January, but it was a more volatile and didn't really make a big move that was easy to trade actually. When we went from 200 to 1200, that's still an amazing breakout gain, absolutely crazy, and it happened right as Bitcoin dominance was dropping. Let's continue on. Atom coin also did a move and then a lot of volatility, really not making a big long term, and I'm kind of disappointed. It is one that I was expecting more from. So I'll do another video and I'll look at a bunch more coins. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and join this channel so that you get notification when those videos are coming up. And I'll talk more about the coins that are coming up to alert or hold status. But if you really want to get the details, join the bull market watch spreadsheet. You'll have all of the summaries every single day of which coins are the ones that have the potential to be taking off. It's just too much for me to go over in a video like this, but the summary makes it easy to quickly go and take a look at the chart of those coins that may be taking off. And again, we have a price increase coming up. We're going to be going to $19.95 per month for the annual bundle and $47 a month for the monthly if you're paying with fiat currency. But if you want to lock in this price for the remainder of your life, it's a lifetime lock-in. If you join the price at the last year's price right now, you hold last year's price for as long as you remain a member. Your price won't go up from the $24.95 a month with fiat or the $9.95 a month with crypto, you'll be able to renew and renew and renew at that 2019, 2020 price. So that's it for this video. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be going through the rest of these different alphabetical coins to take a look at them and really get to know which ones are going to be taking off next. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next video.